In this Teams Boost video, we're going to show you how to install the Microsoft Teams application on your local computer or laptop. Downloading and installing the Teams application is free of charge. The Teams application can be run on any modern browser such as Microsoft Edge or Edge Chromium, Firefox, Chrome, or even Safari for our Apple friends. The Teams application can also be downloaded, installed, and run on computers or laptops, whether they're Windows, Linux, or Mac. Finally, the Teams application can be downloaded, installed, and run on tablets or smartphones. Here too, it makes no difference if these mobile devices are Apple devices, Windows devices, or Android devices. It is our recommended best practice that company employees using the Microsoft Teams application install the application on their work computers, as well as their mobile devices that they might use for work. In the remainder of the Boost video, we will show you step by step how to download and install Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. We'll also show you shortcuts to the mobile stores so that you can install Teams on your mobile devices. Open any browser of your choice. In this case, I've got an Edge Chromium browser opened in an in-private session. And you want to add the URL teams.microsoft.com/downloads into the address and go ahead and click enter. That's going to take you to the download page. And from there, it's as simple as clicking on download Teams. When I click on download Teams, it's going to download to this computer the installed executable. That takes a second. While that's going, you can run over to the mobile store or the Android store and get links for your mobile devices to install Teams on those mobile devices. So down here, our download's about to be done. Once the download is finished, we can go ahead and open that download, and that's going to launch the Teams installer. Takes it a minute to get the job done. And once the job is done, it's going to invite us to sign into our Teams application. And that's it for installing the Teams application on your local computer.